what's going? Welcome back to another one. In today's video I do a bit of brick tweeding. Here we have some old bricks that's in bad condition, so I'm here to replace like 15 bricks. I do a bit of trick here and there. I thought I'd show you guys how I do it, so I'm going to show you guys how I replace and how I tweed these bricks. No further ado, let's dive right into the video. A few there, a few over here as well, and then we have a few over here. So what we have here today, guys, this is the brick that we're using today. It's the closest we could find to match with the bricks that are already there. Let's dive right into the video, guys. So here, there is so much brick that needed to be replaced, but here we I only have 15 bricks to replace. In my opinion, I would probably remove all of those bricks there. Like I said, this job subcontract to me, and I have harder to remove only 15 of them. I told the guy that all of those bricks need to be replaced, need to change. You could see the crop, they started to heat out. Over here is water damage. When you cut it with the jackhammer, you could see it shelling out. So we're just doing what we can do here. They only have 15 bricks over there, as you see, so we're gonna just use back those ones that's there, and yeah. Hope this video helped you guys with your next brick filling. If you get value from it, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for our latest and greatest video. Until then, see you in the next one.